Top 10 Spa in Tucson. 1. Nature's Spa, 531 reviews, East Tanque Verde Rd. 2. Guided Flame Spa and Wellness, 8 reviews, North Campbell Avenue. 3. Fuchsia Spa La Encantada, 4.8, 972 reviews, East Skyline Dr. Suite 123. 4. Rapunzel Spa, 4.8, 72 reviews, East Wrightstown Rd. 5. The Ritz-Carlton Dove Mountain Spa, 4.7, 54 reviews, N Secret Springs Dr. 6. A Miraval Life in Balance, 4.7, 23 reviews, E via Estancia Miraval. 7. The Spa at Hacienda Del Sol, 4.7, 21 reviews, North Hacienda Del Sol Rd. 8. Sonoran Spa, 4.7, 20 reviews, East Ina Road. 9. Loews Ventana Canyon Resort, 4.6, 4,884 reviews, N Resort Dr. 10. Hacienda Del Sol Guest Ranch Resort, 4.6, 2055 reviews, North Hacienda Del Sol Road.